Will the Reserve Bank of Australia's surprise decision to leave rates steady push the currency lower? Well, the Australian dollar was hit hard on Tuesday after the RBA decided to leave its key interest rate unchanged at 4.1%. Market expectations had been for a hike of 25 basis points. Now, the currency quickly lost over 2% of its value against the US dollar. The committee, however, was quick to assure markets that inaction didn't mean the hiking cycle was over, as they said, some further tightening may be required to ensure that inflation returns to target. Now, perhaps the move may have been more, if not for the weaker than expected U.S. data that came out in the form of ISM and JOLTS. The domestic data was in direct conflict with the higher than expected U.S. GDP data that came out back on July 27th. So now, interestingly, the biggest headline of the day was Fitch's downgrade of U.S. Treasury debt, which seemed to have a mildly positive effect on the dollar and pushed the Australian dollar lower. The Aussie dollar currently sits right below significant technical support at 66.00. Now, the CME Group offers three different size currency contracts, the standard, the mini, and the micro, in order to match a trader up with their preferred risk tolerance. We're going to be using the micros in these examples. If a trader believes that the Australian dollar could continue lower from here, they could express that by selling the September micro Aussie dollar futures contract at 0.6580 and target a move to 0.6400. A stop for this trade could be placed above at 0.6700. This trade can make $180 if the target is reached and risks $120 if you're stopped out of your level. Now, if a trader believes that the Australian dollar could bounce from here, they could express that by buying that September micro Australian dollar futures contract at 0.6580 and targeting a move back to the channel highs of 0.6800. A stop for this trade can be placed below at 0.6380. Now, this trade can make $220 if your target is reached and risks $200 if you're stopped out of your level.